going to show you how to make homemade mashed potatoes. Slice up your potatoes like this. You don't want them too big or too small. About 4 or 5 potatoes is enough for a family of 4, so I cut up about that many. You're going to want to place your potatoes in a strainer and go ahead and rinse those off. You're going to want to add them to a saucepan and fill it with water. And once you have put your burner on about medium, you want to add your salt to the water. And this helps them from sticking and helps them cook a little bit faster. Don't forget to put your wooden spoon on it so that way it doesn't boil over. So these are about halfway done and they are going to be so good. Now that they're almost done, we're going to turn this up a little higher and get a little steamy in here. Alright, now you're going to strain your potatoes once finished. And just return them back to the bowl, pan. Okay, so you want to make sure they are fully smashed. And I left my peels on my potatoes. You do not have to leave your peels on your potatoes. And you're just going to whisk in some butter, and I don't have a whisk, so we're going to use this spoon. Here it is, guys. Perfect homemade mashed potatoes. If you don't know how to make mashed potatoes before, you do now. Please like and subscribe for more food videos.